In the heat of the summer, a backyard water gun fight seemed like the perfect way to cool down and have fun. The battle began with participants eagerly filling their water guns, ready to soak their opponents. As the chaos unfolded, one ambitious contender decided to climb atop a garden wall for a tactical advantage. However, the wall was slippery from earlier rain, leading to an unexpected slide that turned the water fight into a wet and wild spectacle. Friends burst into laughter as the would-be sniper landed in the middle of the action, unintentionally triggering a wave of water, soaking everyone in sight. That day, the garden wall incident became the talk of the neighborhood, reminding everyone to find humor in unexpected situations.